Charles Seeker. Ah, da war ich schon mal, oder? Scheiße, wie bin ich da reingekommen? Aber ja, warte mal. Meine Missionen. Die sekundären Aufgaben. Ryan Stewart. Kampfdroge. Verstehe. Die Sorgen eines Professors. Verfolgen. Nein, warte mal. Scheiße, geh mich nicht aus. Die Sorgen eines Professors. Das heißt, ich muss ins Labor gehen. Ah, da ist sie wieder schön, die Dorfnutten. Die blöde Kurge. Mit der von mir. Trouble? Nicht, oder? Ich bin gerade auf der Durchreise. Ich möchte gerade, geh mal weg da. Ich möchte gerade in das Labor. Scheiße. Ja, toll, da bin ich da wieder. Wer ist das da? Veronika Seeker, warte mal, Baby.
Hey there, I'm looking for Charles Seeker. You know where I could find him?
And you are?
Zachariah Mancer. The professor and I have a mutual friend who's worried about him.
I know the feeling. Haven't seen him for days. I'm Veronica Seeker, the professor's assistant. I got a message informing me he had taken an impromptu vacation, but it's not like him. He didn't even like to sleep, said it just wasted time. Even more unlikely in the middle of the research he was doing.
Yeah, seems a bit off, doesn't it? Professor was supposed to start some research with a friend of mine as well. I'm sure he'd already started work on it before leaving. You know anything about it?
Of course. I was involved with the professor's research, though I shouldn't discuss it with anyone without his consent. But with that last name, Mancer, I suppose this technomancy research is of particular interest to you. Otherwise, most people barely bat an eye towards the scientific aspects of technomancer powers.
If you're concerned that the message wasn't really from the professor, did you report his disappearance?
To the authorities? Of course not. The authorities, Mr. Mancer, have far more pertinent issues than this, which I am sure will work itself out in time. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Okay, Leute, muss ich. Wo muss ich jetzt? Als enger Freund, ha? Machen wir das doch.
Trust me, I get why you're reluctant to talk. I do. Times like these don't exactly instill openness. But my friend's a very close friend of the professor, and neither of us are the betraying type, you know? To be honest, you look like you got some worries on your mind too. Could all use a few more people to confide in.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I can tell you some things. I'm afraid the professor's vocal railings against the ASC and their ceaseless power grabs might have finally come back to bite him. He would even preach to his colleagues and the listeners at conferences. I would give anything to be wrong, of course, but hope is oftentimes incongruous with the reality we must come to face.
Okay, da mal sagen, dass der Professor entführt haben, ha? Oder umgebracht. Erzähl es Gott. Wunder Scott.
That's one good-looking woman.
Beam me up, Scotty.
Got eyes for her, Professor.
Scheiße, wo war der?
Poor girl seems so sad.
Der Scott Seeker, der folgen gleich.
Why are we investigating the professor's
Bedeutet, die rennen irgendwie da mit oder da mit, ha?
It's not our order. I've been working on something
Pass auf.
that'll help us in the long run.
Der hat da in der Mitte.
Really important. I don't know how it's connected.
Also mal quatscht da.
But it is. You're gonna have to trust me.
Freunde, nicht quatschen. Miki mal. Wir müssen zum Scotty. Vielleicht beamt der Murphy, geh. Oder lauf. Ja, wen ist da? Achso. Wie komme ich da um? Außen rundum. Jetzt lauf ich mal da rein, ha? Stimmt das? Schon, oder? Moment, Mülleimer. Bin auf einer Müllabfuhr. Okay, da habe ich mal die Dinge ausgebrochen, gell? Die hohen Personen. Ja, bitte auf Scotty. Mal schauen, wie es ausschaut.
Hi, Scott.
Hello, my boy. How are you? Nothing broken, I hope.
Und zwar reden wir über das Verschwinden.
I'm sorry, Scott. You were right to worry about your friend. According to his assistant, it seems that he had problems. He was quite critical of the corporation. And you know how dangerous it's been lately.
How crazy he was. He should have just stuck to his research. How foolish to meddle with politics. He was a very good researcher, you know? He made real progress on the settlers' genetic origins. How sad. And that poor woman who must be worried, sick. Listen, I thought... Anyway, maybe you could...
What's going on?
I know that I'm asking a lot from you, but I was wondering if maybe... you could continue to investigate. You are someone important now. You know a lot of people. They can tell you if Veronica's suspicions are justified.
I can probably talk about it with my captain, or tap into some contacts in the know.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. I want to be sure, you see. I think that you need to recover his latest research. I strongly believe that, besides what he said, he found something dangerous. The ASC, they're thugs. We must not allow sensitive scientific research to fall into their hands. The risks are too high.
I'll see what I can do, but I doubt that Veronica will give me Charles's documents willingly. She's very protective of her boss's work.
Okay, jetzt muss ich nochmal das Verschwinden untersuchen, gell? Und die Forschungsunterlagen brauche ich. Mein Gott. Heftig. Bumm, geht's mit. Das kriegen wir schon. Ich meine, dafür sind wir da, gell? So, das heißt jetzt, wo renne ich hin? Das heißt wieder da, ja, sehr fix. Heftig. Wir rennen das mal rechts um mich her. Rechts herum. So, Veronica. Der prügelt die Akten schon raus, gell? Irgendwie. Mein Gott, da könnte ich nicht ausgehen. Tommy. So, mein Kumpel, steck dein Messer weg. Ich bin ja gerade auf der Durchreise. So, Lady, wie schaut denn aus?
Veronica, I need a favor. I'm looking for access to the professor's compiled research documents. Might be a big help to me.
It's just not my work to share, Zachariah. If he came back, I don't think he'd be too pleased to find out I handed it away. You ever find out what happened to him?
Still looking for leads. Just finding dead end after dead end. I'm still looking.
I keep hoping he just took a vacation. I know better. That man could never relax. Let me know if you hear anything, will you?
Ja gut, ich muss erst mal schauen, wo er blind ist, gell? Und dann zurück zur Veronica. Also, wo kommt denn das her? Der Charles, wo ist der Blim? Das ist die Frage, gell? Bericht erstatten. Scheiße. Anton Rogue. Mit den Fore verhandeln, ha? Ja gut, gehen wir mit heute. Wieder bis unten hinten gibt's Ärger, gell? Massig Ärger. Aber Gefahr ist mein Geschäft. Das gehört zum Technomanten-Dasein dazu, gell? Schaut nach, Baum, kommt das? Schon, gell? Ich meine, ein bisschen Unterstützung brauche ich schon. Ja, bitte, wo bin ich? Na, warte mal, wo da hinten? Zum Ausrufezeichen, gell? Nicht zum Dollarzeichen. Wo war denn das? Da was. Gehen wir da hinten. Hey, warte mal, wo ist denn das da? Schlechtes Leder, scheiße. Braucht das coole Leder. Möchten ja? War mein Kumpel, hat er Probleme oder was? Oder schlechte? So ein hau dir so ein. Okay, jetzt sind wir da. Bei der Händler. Aber wie komme ich zu dem Ausrufezeichen? Du Scheiße. Ich hab da mal da rundum. Die geheimnisvollen Wori. Was?
It's an official mission? It isn't, is it? Make the slightest move, you're a dead man.
Then we'll defend ourselves. Look, I know Anton Rogue's not the kind of guy to hang out with, but he's the guy to come to if you want to know anything about anything going on. And I need to know something.
All right, whatever you say, Lieutenant, I'm behind you. Anything goes down, I got your back.
Genau, Kumpel. Genau das möchte ich hören. Jetzt möchte aber erst einmal, pass auf, meine Kisten um.
Sorry, pal. Nobody enters this office if they got no pass.
That right, pal? I'm an officer and a Technomancer, and I'm here to see Anton Rogue. Think you should let me in.
You even know who Anton Rogue is? He's the big fucking balls here. The boss. I don't care if you're a damn general. Get the hell out of here.
Ja, pass auf, Eintritt erzwingen, später können wir oder ein Passierschein vorzeigen. Hab ich den?
What else?
Show it to me. Alright, fine. You can come in even though you're dressed like... You stole it from one of our guys.
Ja, der Mission friedlich gelöst, gell? Ja gut. Der übliche Krempel, gell? Allerdings werde ich erst mal speichern, gell? Anton Rogue, wie ist er das?
Look what the cat dragged in. The prodigal son. A diamond in the rough, risen from poor street trash to the godlike ranks of Technomancer. Now tell me, why am I so lucky to be in your presence?
Ja, Kumpel, ich hab ein paar Fragen. Und zwar möchte ich wissen, was mit dem Ding passiert ist, gell? Mit dem Charles.
Professor Charles Seeker. I'm looking for what happened to him. What can you tell me?
The dangers of having a mind, of using it, and especially of speaking it, I'm afraid. His research and political opinions push the line, and patience of some. Funny how smart and wise don't always go hand in hand. That said, word is he boarded a train. Not so much a pleasure trip. More like a forced hiatus given the military escort and the colonel's re-education camp he was bound for. No matter the power of the mind, the power of a gun always seems to gain the upper hand in the end, don't you think?
I'm looking for a caravan of merchants. They were supposed to be in the exchange. Word is they were escorted to the slums, and you may know something about it.
Yeah, rude little men. My town, my streets. Uninvited competition who lack even the common decency to offer a little token of grace in exchange for their presence. If you're ready to settle their debts, I'd be happy to usher them back home.
Die Schulden begleichen. Pass auf, den überreden wir.
These merchants were involved in some outside business that requires interrogation as soon as possible. You can either help me find them, or we can always turn our attention towards your business affairs. Your call, Anton.
So either I turn a blind eye, or you do. Fair enough. Very well. Let's be magnanimous and hope that you will be too. You will find your suspects in one of our warehouses. Go see the guards and tell them, he who profits will deserve honor. They will give you the keys. Business is business, and now that ours is done, I will trust in your discretion.
Okay, und dann kannte ich noch. Achso, die Händler befreien. Ja gut, gehen wir.
I gotta go.
Then go.
Okay, Anton, bin fort. Komm aus da.